Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Woo!
With a broken body held together with plate screws and rods, living with cirrhosis, I'm digging deep to stay active and inspired through mountain biking.
Shoes are working great. Hey guys, I'm at the Third Flats trailhead, just east of the Gunny Loop over here. And I've been looking across the valley, and it's been raining a little bit today. I saw dark clouds. I thought I'd drive out because there's breaking in the clouds. I'm gonna see if the trail is just tacky and nice or too wet to ride. So let's go check it out. All right, let's have at it. Woo! A little rough there. Okay, second thoughts. So far, still dry. Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. Thought I was gonna get towed. See if we got this. Nice. Nice. Ratchet, ratchet. All right. Woo. Oh shit. Come on, buddy. Yeah. All right. I swapped out my tires yesterday. So had a thick cased Minions front and rear. I got a 2.6 Recon and I went from a double down DHR to a single down aggressor. 2.5 from a 2.3 and 2.6 from a 2.5. They're faster rolling and lighter. Nice, nice. Oh. Haha, good line. Get up there. Yeah. Whew. Nice. Oh, 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 shit. All right. Get up, get up, get up. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Huh. That was awesome. I haven't hit chunk like that blind before. I always stop and take a look. Guess I'm getting a little more confident. Tell you what, this 2.6 on the front is definitely giving me some confidence. All right, what do we got here? All right. Yeah. Woo. All right. That's for you guys. keep it up. Here we go. There's the fatigue. Good time to check my tires anyways. Catch my breath. You may have noticed the one glove. It's not a fashion statement, I just lost one. I'm gonna get cocky. I'm not digging my front wheel like I should. I gotta stay within my limits, guys. Woo! I like it. Okay, I just climbed out of Second Thoughts. Had to hike it on Twist and Shout. Trailfork says it's a climb out to the right or a descent down to the left, and I might have to go up a road. I stopped to look at a sign and it messed up my flow, so I came back to the top. Here. Slide that rear wheel. There we go. Loose. Loose as a goose. All right. You gotta look for those guys. I should stay to the left of that. I think the general rule is to stay left to those rocks. Nice. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh. 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 Woo. Yeah. Woo. That was fun. Uh-oh. Oh, oh. Oh. Whew. I gotta tell you this. Recon's pretty forgiving. Coming down those. I like a tiny little bit of plus, I think. I don't know if I'd like a full plus tire, 2.8. But 2.6, I like that. Nice, nice. Woo. Damn. I should get a guard. Oh wait, I do have. Dang. Crashing Dad owes me a guard. I want it from him. I need to go get it. Whoa! I'm starting to peter out, guys, or I'd go back and try this again. Yeah, gotcha. I went back and got it. Woo! Oh shit. Oh, oh. Nice. Ooh. Oh. There he is, there he is. My trail rabbit.
Thanks again for joining me, guys. I got a long climb out of there. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit notifications because I have new videos coming every week. Have a great day.